Today, we are going to learn how to do face detection at 60 frames per second using OpenCV and Python. Yes, 60 FPS, super smooth, real-time face detection. Normally, when you see or use basic methods like Haar cascades, your detection can lag or feel choppy. But with some optimizations, your webcam can track faces like it's reading minds. First, why do we need 60 FPS? Well, in applications like drones, AR filters, virtual meetings, or security systems, slow detection feels sluggish and unresponsive. Imagine waving your hand and your face detector only responds half a second later. Annoying, right? 60 FPS makes everything fluid. Here's how it works. OpenCV provides pre-trained models for face detection. Her cascades are simple and fast, but the new DNN-based detectors using deep learning are much more accurate. To get 60 FPS, we combine a fast detector with optimized frame processing. Step 1. Install OpenCV and NumPy using PIP. Step 2. Load a pre-trained face detection model. Step 3. Open your webcam using OpenCV's video capture function. Read frames continuously inside a loop. Step 4. Resize frames if needed. Smaller frames are processed faster, which is key to high FPS. Step 5. Convert frames into the required format like a blob for DNN detectors. Step 6. Run the detector to get face coordinates. Step 7. Draw rectangles around the face using OpenCV's rectangle function. Now, for a practical tip, if you notice lag, try skipping frames or using smaller network model. Not on laptops, 60 FPS may be achievable with optimization, while on Raspberry Pi or low-end devices, you might get 45 FPS. Still very smooth, right? Let's make it a bit fun. For example, you can imagine you are in front of the webcam, waving, smiling, or even moving quickly. The program detects your face instantly and tracks your movements without jitter. Try turning your head or moving closer, the rectangle follows you perfectly. It's almost like a webcam has supervision. You can also add multiple face tracking. With 60 FPS, even if 3 or 4 people enter the frame, detection remains fluid. This is useful for classrooms, team projects, or security systems. Finally, remember that lighting matters. Good lighting makes detection faster and more accurate. Shadows, dim rooms, or black light can reduce FPS and accuracy. So test in a well-lit environment for best results. So to sum up, OpenCV or install OpenCV, choose a fast detector, optimize frame size, process efficiently, and you can enjoy 60 FPS face detection, smooth, fast, and ready for real-time applications. And that's the latest 60 FPS face detection using OpenCV Python. Your face tracked faster than ever like a tiny superhero assistant. And if you like this, don't just blink towards that subscribe button.